Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a sand clay. Happy advance Pongal. Okay, let's get started. I'm taking enough sand for me for sand clay making process. Then I'm pouring some much of water. Okay, let's mix it well and well. So only the sand and water will mix well. Okay, let's filter it. Then we can take the bricks and we can throw it. After filtering, keep this for one day. After one day, put one ugly cloth and pour the sand water on it. Okay, keep it this for one day to get the clay. Close it like this so you will get soon. Okay, after 5 hours, I didn't get it well. After 24 hours, I think it's ready. Let's check it. Okay, yes, it's ready. Let's see it well. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you, tata, bye bye.